Lone gunman shoots man, engages passing cop in shootout in Kingston. 3 shot, 2 fatally in Westmoreland. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A lone gunman shot and injured a man along Michael Manley Boulevard in the vicinity of Dorchester in Kingston 2 on Monday, then engaged a passing cop in a daring shootout before escaping in nearby bushes. More details to come following further investigations. Brazen gunmen murdered 2 men and injured another during a shooting incident in Westmoreland on Monday night. The deceased have been identified as Ryan Williams, 46-year-old, and Ted Roy Chase, 26. The incident happened at about 9:45 p.m. at Water Lane, Morgan's Bridge in the parish. Police reports are that Williams and Chase were sitting in front of another man when several loud explosions were heard. All 3 persons ran in different directions and the police were alerted. It was later discovered that all 3 persons were suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds. They were assisted to the hospital where Williams and Chase were pronounced dead on arrival, and the other man was treated and admitted in a stable condition. Police reported that the scene was processed and 5 spent casings, 1 live round, 1 expended bullet, and blood samples were retrieved. It is believed that the killing could have been a reprisal linked to a previous incident in the community. 3 men were shot and injured in a drive-by shooting in the Morgan's Bridge community on Sunday morning. That incident happened about 9 a.m. The 3 men were among a group of other persons under a tree when a motor car was driven up and the occupants opened gunfire at the group, then sped away. The injured men were hospitalized in stable condition. It is not immediately clear if both incidents are related.